Good day. Today we are going to discuss the difference between singular and plural. We are going to discuss the definitions, the rules, and their examples. The first thing that we should know about singular and plural is that they are associated with pronouns and nouns. Nouns, we are talking about the words that represent places, people, or ideas. Pronouns, for example, we are talking about he or she. Let's go to definitions of these forms. Definition number one, it is singular. Singular refers to a single or one thing, which means it's an individual thing. And plural, it refers to more than one, it means many. Now, before we go any further, let me explain the plurals of pronouns. Pronouns, for example, we have he and she. When we convert them to become plurals, they become them or their or they. Now let's continue. The rules of these forms. Rule number one: most nouns create their plural by adding s, es, ies, ves. Now we must know that not all nouns have s at the beginning at the end to become plural. Some nouns have e. For example, those nouns we call them plural, irregular plural. Irregular plural are the nouns that has the same forms. They do not change. We're talking about sheep. We can see that sheep, they do not change. It becomes the same thing. And some nouns has a special plural forms, and they do not follow the rules. We are talking about women, children, men. As I said before, I told you that most of nouns, they do not add es at the end to become plurals. Now let's go to examples. The examples, you can see that we have a singular and plural. Now the singular, you have a sheep. When it becomes a plural, it becomes sheeps. We add the letter s. You see. Now let's continue. We have a singular boy, which means when it becomes plural, we have boys. Okay, we add s. And we must be very carefully when you are working with plurals, because some words most of words they do not need s. They need es or ves. Let's continue. And we have fox. Fox, it becomes foxes. We had es. You see that there is a difference between boys and foxes. The difference is that boys we added s, and foxes we added es. And we have glass. Glass, it becomes glasses. We add es at the end of the word. And we have wolf. Wolf, we add ves. Becomes wolves, because they are many.